Is Windows failing to load because of the Simple Message Provider Host DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we begin our Simple Message Provider Host troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Simple Message Provider Host, the Storage Management Provider Host Library. It manages the discovery and localized configuration of virtual disks and storage spaces within Windows. It provides the programmatic bridge for the Storage Spaces Control Panel applet. If missing, users will be unable to manage disk pools or mirrored volumes, and the system may fail to mount virtual hard disks, VHD and VHDX, citing a provider failure. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Smphost is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Simple Message Provider Host, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Most individual downloads of Simple Message Provider Host DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Simple Message Provider Host optimization concepts. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Simple Message Provider Host from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.